Ayan, so 30 minutes had pa, so tanggalin na natin. Ito yung part na gusto ko, so satisfying guys. Oh. Teka lang. Ayan, ito yung satisfying part talaga. Hindi naman siya masakit pag tinatanggal. Ayan, after daw neto, i-rinse lang yung natirang residue. And then, ala, ang sarap guys.
Club veteran David Swallow kicking the winning score after earlier in the week telling teammates to retire at season's end.
Hindi siya masakit. So satisfying lang talaga.
I think he's still processing it all and soaking it all in. I just think
Anti-aging to.
so special for him. And if their first finals campaign wasn't
Grabe,
already
ang
big
sarap
enough,
talaga.
now a semi-final encounter against Dark Knight
Satisfying.
awaits. Another finals game of footy. We know that the reigning team is going to be pretty hard to
Ay
beat.
sus, may natangay pa
We
ng buhok.
understand we're going to have to bring our best, but we have confidence that our best is good enough.
So I suggest na kapag nagganito kayo, make sure na maglagay kayo ng... Aray, dito pala masakit sa gilid kasi may buhok.
Hawthorn has lost 6 of its past 7
Ayan.
games at the venue.
Basta half an hour. Tsaka pag nararamdaman mo na parang sige na dapat na siyang tanggalin. Dahil pag ginano mo yung mukha mo, yun ang nagagano na siya.
Here on Friday night, Essendon great James Hird believes the premiership is Geelong's to lose. Chief football reporter Tom Morris has the latest from Melbourne.
Dito lang kasi may buhok eh, oh, guys, dito.
And they'll have a similar training program ahead of
Aray ko may buhok kasi dito. Aray ko masakit pala dito. Dahil pala hindi ko siya sinagad kasi guys, tignan nyo, oh, natanggal pati yung hair ko. So, aray, sakit guys. Teka lang. So, that pala hindi ko pa abutin dito. Ala.
For me, it's Geelong to lose. I think Collingwood will have a say, but the way the Geelong football club just took apart Brisbane was sensational. I just think they've got too much talent, and their structure, the way they coach, is excellent.
Speaking of Collingwood, Bobby Hill kicked 4 goals in the VFL yesterday. Are you bringing him back in for a prelim final?
I'd have to see a fair bit more work from Bobby. I think it was great that he played on the weekend, but I
Yeah,
think he just
malapit
don't know.
na.
I think he has to do more work and play another game on the weekend.
Dito lang talaga masakit, ouch. Kasi yung buhok ko.
Now, we know David Swallow was the hero last night. We can also reveal tonight that he re-injured the same knee with a PCL injury on August 10. He was in a brace for a week, and for what should have been an 8-week injury, he actually returned last night. And get this, just